Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Are you fine? Good. I am also fine. Let us begin our class. Dear children, look at the screen. Who all are seen in the picture? Who all are seen in the picture? King, good. Children, good. Then soldier. King, children, soldier. Okay, a long line of children are there. Okay, a long line of children are there. A long line of children are there. What are there in their hands? What are there in their hands? Beautiful flowers. Yes, beautiful flowers. Will Pingala go there? Dear children, will Pingala go there? Yes, he also went to the palace with the empty pot. Pingala also went to the palace with the empty pot. Okay. Take your textbook, page number 15. പ്രിയ മാതാപിതാക്കളെ, കുട്ടികളെ പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ 15ാമത്തെ പേജ് എടുക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കണേ. Shall I read it? Are you ready? Okay. Lovely flowers. The king arrived and looked at the plants. Children gathered in the courtyard of the palace with flowering pots. Red, blue, yellow. The courtyard had turned into a bouquet. The king looked at the children. Their faces were shining with hope. Ha! The king sighed. He was not at all happy. Dear children, look at the screen. Dear children, shall we read it again? Are you ready? Okay. Look at the screen. The king arrived and looked at the plants. Children gathered in the courtyard of the palace with flowery pots. Red, blue, yellow. The courtyard had turned into a bouquet. The king looked at the children. Their faces were shining with hope. Ha! The king sighed. He was not at all happy. Dear children, where did the children gather? Where did the children gather? Where did the children come together? Where did the children come together? In the courtyard. In the courtyard. In the courtyard of the palace. Where did the children gather? In the courtyard of the palace. What did the children carry in their hands? Flowery pots. Flowery pots. Pots with flowers. Pots with flowers. Red flower. Red flower. Yellow flower. Yellow flower. Red flower. Yellow flower. Okay, dear children. How did the courtyard look like? How did the courtyard look like? It had turned into a bouquet. It had turned into a bouquet. The courtyard had turned into a bouquet. Do you know bouquet? Here is a bouquet. Do you like this? Yes. Dear children, look at the screen. Bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Please say with me. Bouquet. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Why were they so happy? Why were they so happy? Yes, they have well-grown plants in their hands. They have well-grown plants in their hands. But the king was not at all happy. The king was not at all happy. Dear children, why was the king unhappy? Why was the king unhappy? Can you guess? The king was not at all happy. Why was the king unhappy? Shall we read the next part? Take your textbook, page number 16 and 17. പ്രിയ മാതാപിതാക്കളെ, പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ 16ഉം 17ഉം പേജുകൾ എടുക്കാൻ കുട്ടികളെ സഹായിക്കണം. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we can start. Shall I read it? Okay. Empty pot. Empty pot. At the end of the line stood Pingala. When the king reached him, he stopped. Why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? A smile. Pingala held his head down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best to grow to the seed. I gave the best soil and manure to it. But the seed did not grow." A smile appeared on King's face. Dear children, can we read once again? Empty pot. At the end of the line stood Pingala. When The king reached him. He stopped. Why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? A smile. Pingala held his head down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best to grow the seed. I gave the best soil and manure to it. But the seed did not grow." A smile appeared on King's face. Dear children, look at the picture. Who is the king talking to? Can you guess? Who is the king talking to? Yes, the king is talking to Pingala. The king is talking to Pingala. What did the king ask him? What did the king ask him? Why did he come with an empty pot? Why did he come with an empty pot? Dear children, will the king be angry with Pingala? Do you think the king be angry with Pingala? No, you are correct. What did Pingala do then? What did Pingala do then? He held his head down. He held his head down. Pingala held his head down. He asked sorry. Did he tell everything to the king? Dear children, did he tell everything to the king? Yes, he told everything. He told everything happened. I watered the seed. I manured the seed. I transferred the seed to another pot. But the seed did not grow. I transferred the seed to another pot. But the seed did not grow. A smile came on King's face. A smile came on King's face. Dear children, do you know why? A smile came on King's face. Do you know why? Let us find it in the next class. Dear children, before winding up, shall we go to an activity? Are you ready? Yes. Can you say, name of some trees? Can you say, name of some trees? Yes, mango tree. Good. Mango tree. Then coconut tree. Good. Coconut tree. mango tree and coconut tree. Good. Say name of some flowers. Say name of some flowers. Jasmine. Good. Rose. Good. Are you like it? Can you say name of some vegetables? Yes, potato. Potato. Beans. Beans. Good. Potato and beans. Dear children, can you say names of some medicinal plants? Can you say names of some medicinal plants? പ്രിയ കുട്ടികളെ, മെഡിസിനൽ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് എന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ സാധാരണയായിട്ട് മരുന്നിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ചെടികൾ. നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന 2 മരുന്ന് ചെടികളുടെ പേര് പറയാമോ? ഓക്കെ, തുളസി. ഗുഡ്. Then പനിക്കൂർക്ക. Good. തുളസി and പനിക്കൂർക്ക. Dear children, we see a lot of plants and trees around us. We see a lot of plants and trees around us. Dear children, take your textbook, page number 28. പ്രിയ മാതാപിതാക്കളെ, പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ 28ാമത്തെ പേജ് എടുക്കാൻ കുട്ടികളെ സഹായിക്കുമല്ലോ. Are you ready? Yes. Here is a project work. There are some columns. There are some columns. Shall I read it? Yes. Listen me. Fruit trees, vegetables, flowering plants, medicinal plants. Dear children, fill the column by writing the name of the plants. Fill the column by writing the names of the plants and send it to your teacher. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, dear children. Bye bye. See you again. Bye bye.